today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable battery saver mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, select system. And then on the right side, scroll down and select power. Should be an option that says energy recommendations, or right below that should say power mode. Optimize your device based on power use and performance. Click the drop down and then select the drop down again and select best power efficiency. You can do that for plugged in as well as on battery if you have a laptop, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.